TinkerCAD tip. Not long ago, we were working with these multicolor logos, and when we were designing them, we were intentionally keeping each of the colors a separate object. For instance, you see the blue here, that's one object, the white's another, red's another, and yellow. And I had a user up here asking about putting a straw hole through it, I guess to make a straw topper, and it was combining all the parts together. Well, there's an easy solution for that. Let's take these here, let's select them all, and for the purpose of clarity, I'm going to stretch this up a bit. There we go. Now I'm going to bring out a whole cylinder here. Let's increase the number of sides. Let's go ahead and holding Alt and Shift, I'm going to reduce the size of this a little bit. Let's say 8 millimeters there. I'm going to stretch it up so it'll go from bottom to top. Holding down the Shift key, I'm going to rotate it so that it's horizontal. Let's bring it down and over here. Now using the Control key, I can move this up to about where I want it. And then holding the Shift, we'll shift nudge it up a bit. Let's go ahead and stretch it so that it goes all the way through. Okay, I can see part of it in the red there, so I'm going to go ahead and click down a little bit. Whoops, and over. All right, so the trick is here, instead of grouping all these together to make that whole, which would then group all these colors together, you want to make one of these whole shapes for each of the colors. There's 4 colors here. I have one hole here already. I'm going to hit duplicate up here, or Control D 3 more times. 1, 2, 3. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to click down here and select one of those holes. Holding down Shift, I'm going to click on the white. While those two were selected, I'm going to group. I'm going to hit Control H just to temporarily hide that. I'm going to click on one of the whole shapes again. Holding down Shift, I'm going to click on the red. 2 objects selected, I'm going to group those together. Those are grouped. I'm going to hit Control H to hide. Click on the next hole. Shift select the yellow. 2 selected, I'm going to group those together. Control H to hide, and there's my last one. Select that whole shape, the blue part. Group that together. There we go. Now I can hold down Control Shift H, bring all of those parts back, and you can see here, now I have a hole all the way through, but yet I've maintained having each of these as a separate STL. That way you could select all of these and send them to your bamboo printer, and just assign 4 different colors to that. There you go, TinkerCAD tip, how to make holes without grouping all of those objects together.